Hello. In this video, we'll see fiddle ge. Let's read it. This is gu, gi, ga, ge, g, go, de, gu, gi, ga, ge, g, go. So let's write it together. So de, I will write the first one, which is ge, and out of ge I will show you how to write the trailing alphabets. So this is ge, this is gu, this is gi, this is ga, this is ge, this is g, this is go. So I added this line at the middle of this leg to the right, and this one reads gu. Added this line at the bottom of the right leg to the right, and this reads gi. For ge, if I add this line to the left at the bottom, it reads ga. And here for ge, if I add a round shape here at the bottom of the leg, it reads ge. Here I added a round shape at the very tip of the left pointing line in ge, so that one reads g. And finally, if I add this line to ge at the top, this one reads go. So once you practice, you will be able to write it quickly like this. Ge, gu, gi, ga, ge, g, and finally go. Okay, so this is ge, gu, gi, ga, ge, g, go. Right, so this is go, for example. This one here, ge, gu, gi, ga, ge, g, and finally this one go. Alright guys, thank you for watching this video. I will come with other contents in the next video. Bye.